This video is going to go through the end of day procedure you should utilize each and every day with the CyntrX app. So you've come to the end of the day, you've parked your truck, you've done your post-trip inspection. What should you do? You're going to go up here, you're going to click the truck icon, you're going to click off duty and save. This is going to gray out the application. This is letting you know that you have indeed put yourself into an off-duty status. Another thing this does is it bookmarks the end of your log by giving you a final mileage reading on the odometer and a final engine hour reading. Next up, you're going to want to log out of the application. So up here in the right-hand corner of the application, you see a rectangle with a left-facing arrow pointing out of it, or you might see 3 vertical dots stacked on each other. It's very important that we log out of the application each and every night for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you have trailer jockeys loading your trailers, or if you have service people washing your truck, and they move that truck in the middle of the night and you're not logged out of the application, that application's going to think that's you driving that truck, assign that driving event to you, and mess up your 10-hour reset. Secondly, as this application goes throughout the day, it's getting little bits of information stuck to it. It's called a cache. By logging out, you're clearing out this cached information, and you're going to make the application run a lot smoother. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, click on this icon. It's going to ask you, would you like to certify your log? It's up to you whether or not you want to certify your log at this time or if you want to do it in the morning. And then it's going to ask you, are you sure you're going to want to log out? Click the log out button. It's going to sync everything from today, throw it on the portal, and here you are back at your login screen, ready, fresh to go in the morning.